Hey, Kathleen here. I am reviewing this Orbit 3-valve timer for the hoses in our garden. And you can see here that there are 3 stations, 1, 2, and 3. And here on this timer are stations 1, 2, and 3. So you can see we've got station 1, and we've got the clock set for that one. The start time of 8 a.m., going for 5 minutes every day, and I put it on auto. And if you go back over here, you can see that if we just push this button, it moves it over to station 2. And that's set for 8:10, 5 minutes every day. So let's go ahead and set this for station 3. So I'm just clicking over here to station 3, needs to be set. And I'm gonna set it for 8:30 a.m. And so you have to scroll through it. It has to just, if you wanna do it for night, you're gonna have to go through it this way. It's the only way to go through. So let's set it for 8:30 a.m. How long? 5 minutes every day, but this can be adjusted up every 3 days, just depending on what's going on with the weather, and then set it to auto. And now all 3 of these are set. Now, if you know it's going to rain that day and you don't want it to go off, you just push the plus sign and you can see that it's delayed for 24 hours. And you can delay for up to 3 days. And then to release the delay, you would just click back to the manual clear. And now it's reset. So here's the setup we've got. We've got 3 hoses, and that's the hardest part of this. It's not the timer. It's setting up your hoses and figuring out how you're gonna do that. But the timer itself is really, really helpful, and this is our second one. The first one lasted a few years, and we just decided this was definitely a lifesaver in terms of watering our garden automatically, right? So it's automatic. This line goes right to the house spigot, and then it was just a matter of setting these guys up with the sprinklers. So we are very pleased with it, and it saves us so much time and energy.